What is going on, everybody? I am going to review a off-road light today from a company called Nilight. You can find it on Amazon. I paid $28.89 for it. It's a 7-inch, 3,600 lumen, 30-watt off-road light that comes in a flood pattern. I'm gonna pull it out the box, let you see all the pieces so you can see the quality and see if it's actually worth the 30 bucks. For 30 bucks, I mean, you can't really complain. We'll see if it's actually worth it or not. So what you have here is it comes in a little 4 by 8-inch size box. I'm gonna open it up and see what we actually have inside. I've had some luck with these cheap Amazon lights and I've had some bad luck with them. So we'll see what this actually looks like and you can make the decision for yourself. All right, so it comes wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's always a good sign. So there is some consideration with packaging. You have a little bag here that looks like it's got the mounting brackets with some nuts. And you have another little bag that has the mounting brackets with the mounting hardware. It even comes like with an Allen key. And then you have the light itself wrapped in bubble wrap. And you have 2 of those. So I'm gonna pull it out and let you look at it. So it looks like it's got a nice clear glass on the front, if you can see that. The fins on the back seem to be a decent thickness. It's all made out of metal, which is good. Yeah, it's a nice metal body. And you can see the little diodes in the middle or in the light itself. They seem to be of decent quality. And also this is metal here on the end. So far so good. You have your red and black connection lights for positive and negative. And again, you have another one, just the same thing in the box. So it comes with 2 brackets for each side of the light itself. It comes with a little Allen key. It comes with like some other brackets. Other brackets with some bolts here, some nuts and bolts. All right, so these all look like they go together in some form or fashion. Let me see. If I was, is there instructions? That's a joke. I never use instructions and neither should you. So you have, where's the part that would go on the side? Let me see. These, that doesn't make sense though. Where's the little teeth that grind here? So it's got little ridges here like it would have some sort of grip with teeth that would marry up to it. But I don't see anything that would marry up to it. And I was joking about no instructions, but there's no instructions in the box. So let me see if I can figure out how to put this together. Maybe like this. I think these are 2 options. Okay, so it looks to have a high mount option and a low mount option. And a high mount option, I want to say looks about like 3 inches, where the low mount option is about 1 inch. So that's the difference right there. All right, so 2 options. So let's go with, I'm gonna mount mine with I'm going with the low mount. I'm gonna put them on my truck with the low mount. So let's see, where's the first one? And there you go. There's the light. And then in a minute, I'll get my battery and I'll hook it up and let's show you guys what it looks like when it's turned on. But I mean, I think it's $28.89 is what I said I paid for it. I mean, for 30 bucks, as long as it doesn't die on me in the first year of owning it, that's a pretty damn good light. I'm gonna use these for alley lights on my roof rack. So I'm gonna have one on each side. So I need to look left or right. That's gonna be my floodlight for that. That makes sense. All right, so there is the Nilight by, my 7-inch lights by Nilight. It's a 4000 1S-B bar super slim system. To give you a little details about the light itself, it's a 30 watt, so it's 6 by 5 watt piece of high intensity LEDs. And then it's got a beam pattern of, I've got a flood beam pattern on mine. It says operating volts from 10 to 30 volts, has a lifespan of 30,000 hours. Waterproof rating of IP67, which IP67 means this. It means this. Hopefully I figure out how to do this in post-production and I have what it means right there. It means that. It's made out of aluminum, which is good. That means it won't rust. It also, let's see, I want to read more. It's good for off-road Jeeps, blah, 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 mining trucks. It says mining trucks, excavators, well, other boats, fishing, courtyard, blah, blah, blah. Use voltage transform, convert, the blah. Use it for your car. It's not DOT approved, so you can't use it to drive with. It's for off-roading only. It has a high-quality product service, and it actually says a 2-year warranty for genuine Nilight, spelled N-I-L-I-G-H-T, light bar. Most customers' choice, whatever that means. So that's it. So that is your 2-piece. Remember, it came 2 in a box, and it gave you option of a high and a low mounting system. All right. So if you like my review, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, new notifications, whatever I'm putting this on. Just do everything you can so the next one I put out, you know it's there and you go see it. All right. I've bought tons of things from Amazon over the years, and my plan is just to review all the crap that I've already bought and used, and that way, in case if you got an idea of something you're looking for, you can see somebody that's actually used it and if they like it or not. So right now, like I said, I haven't used these. We'll see how they last over time. But right now, I mean, for $28.89, God bless America. That's a good deal. As always, you guys have it safe, be prepared, and I will see you out there. And if you do see me, say hello.